Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting in store for you. We're going to showcase the top 5 car gadgets of 2023. These innovative devices are designed to enhance your driving experience and keep you connected on the road. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. No matter how hard you try to keep your car nice and clean, it seems like messes inevitably find their way onto the floors and seats. From that sand you trekked in on your latest beach trip to crumbs from your on-the-go snack. Things have a way of getting into your car and making it dirty. The mess is unsightly and trips to a car detailer can be expensive. So what is the solution to this pesky problem? A car vacuum cleaner. With the This Works Car Vacuum, you can easily get rid of crumbs, sand, hair, etc. in a matter of minutes. It is designed to be compact, lightweight, and very easy to use. It is 2.4 pounds and has a HEPA filter. The suction on the vacuum is strong, with a 106 motor. Number 4. Rove R24K Dash Cam. The roads can be rough. Give yourself a second set of eyes on the road with a dash cam. The Rove R2 Dash Cam is a great addition to your car and can provide you with peace of mind when driving. This dash camera records video up to a resolution of 2160. It provides great clarity and quality, allowing you a clear picture of events that occur on the road. It has super night vision technology that is designed to give you clear footage and images even in low-light conditions. The Rove dash camera has a parking mode, motion detection, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, slow-mo video, and time-lapse video. These features make it so that you have a clear record of events in any situation on the road. Number 3. Quack's Car Air Freshener. Driving can certainly be a relaxing experience. Going down the highway with music blasting through the speakers, driving can provide a great way to unwind. The only thing that could make this experience better is having the car smell great. The Quack's Car Air Freshener is an aesthetic way to make your car smell amazing and make your driving experience even better. The Quack's Car Air Freshener comes in 2 colors, black and red. It is solar-powered and has 2 rings and a crystal ball that rotate. To install, just unscrew the cover, insert the included perfume pad, and then rescrew. When the smell runs out, you can purchase more perfume pad refills from Quack or get unscented perfume pads and use your favorite essential oil. Number 2. East Mount Smart Temp Control Travel Mug. On a long drive, a hot cup of coffee can really keep you going. But when that cup of coffee gets cold, your patience can run thin. That's where the East Mount Smart Temp Control Travel Mug comes in. Keep your coffee hot all the time while on the go with this self-warming coffee cup. This travel mug can be set to the perfect temperature for you, from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It is made of the same material that advanced baby bottles are, making it very safe. It utilizes medical-grade 304 stainless steel and can hold 13 ounces of liquids. Number 1. Govee Car LED Lights. Make your next road trip a party with colorful lights that sync with fun music. Feel like a DJ with pulsing, vibrant lights and music that syncs with the visual show with the Govee Car LED lights. There are 16 million available colors to choose from, in addition to a DIY mode on the Gov Home app. The lights have a built-in mic that allows the interior car lights to sync with your music. They have a 2-line design that connects the 4 strip lights, hiding wiring and creating a nice and tidy look. The lights are easy to enjoy and even easier to install. All you do is attach the LED lights to your vehicle with the included adhesive and support clips. There is rubber tubing outside the lights that is designed to protect them from any accidental liquid spillage. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.